This is the third video I got from MK as of yesterday when we went and played. I hate to stoop down to this level and do cheater one. It's not me, but I just kind of want to show people what they should do and what they shouldn't do when this happens, because both parties in this case were wrong. It is more towards the end, so if you don't want to watch the gameplay, go ahead and skip to the end.
Watch that door over there. I got this door. I got this door. People, you're gonna have to peek around. I got this. Yeah, you can go in there. Pin him, Devo, pin him. Hey, any of my teammates behind me? Fuck. Fuck this. Hey, you gonna help me out? There's a dude up on Chinatown on the wall. He's all the way in the back behind the corner. I have a grenade. You can pin him, I can toss it where he's at. I want to try and push from this side up. I'm going to toss a grenade back there. I'd watch because he's up there. Yeah, this corner sucks. I think you got me. Oh, you're pulling.
This part here is a very important role in this video, because this is the guy, he hadn't been calling his hits all day, and when you called him out on it, he would come up and he would touch you and show you where he hit you at, and it wasn't like a finger poke or like a, hey, I got you in the chest. It was like a closed fist, almost like a 1-inch punch type hit and touch. You shouldn't be doing that. Don't touch other players, especially if it's not somebody you came with or know, or if it's not a buddy of
He's
yours.
up behind the wall. Yeah, come on. No, Devo, it's on our color. It's on our color. Put blue up. Is there people over there? Is there people over there, Devo? Huh? I'm backing into this room. Watch that. See that where that green is right there, Raylan? You gotta watch that, and there's a door right here. I'll watch this side. Got him. Got him. Huh?
I don't know. They didn't see anything. You holding this?
Yeah, we're holding this.
Yeah, we gotta hold.
We just have to stay here and hold. I have a grenade, so if we need it.
Right.
Where?
They got it right here.
blue, that's blue. Huh? Are they over there? Probably the window to kill house. Where's he at? Hey, watch out, there's a red there, there's a red there. Hit. I'm gonna walk. Shit! I don't know where the fuck. Oh god damn, that scared me. Dead man walking! Dead man! Good trigger discipline.
Thank you.
Cowboy hat guy is like Jesus here. I know. Well, he's so fucking quiet. He'll literally walk from spawn to spawn. We still have the wall. I'm sorry, I tried to get your vest. Yes? Yeah, I'm good. Huh? I'm in Chinatown, so watch your shots. You're to say again? You're to the right of me. Alright, I'm moving into Great Wall. Where are they at, Rylan?
Right there.
At the end of the hall?
Yeah.
Hey, at the end of the wall, do you like cereal? What's your favorite kind?
We have the same guy cheating again. Even if you shot him first and he shot you after he had called hit or didn't call it at all, he would make sure it was a mutual kill.
I asked you what your favorite cereal was, you monster!
See there, he made sure to call it a mutual kill even though the guy that was on my team had shot him first and he threw a grenade over there.
Bad spot, guys.
Now I can't see whether he was at the bottom of the stairs or not, but when you throw grenades at MK, it is a 10 feet kill radius, and he didn't call it 10 feet, and with him being up there that quick, he definitely was in 10 feet, but he still made sure to call a mutual kill, and most airsofters aren't going to sit and argue with you whether or not it's a mutual kill, because they don't want the argument. They're just there to have fun. So they're just going to call it and go back to their spawn to avoid any confrontation. And This guy was getting angrier
Whoever was
and
up there that just
angrier
got
the
shot
more
said,
people
"What, you're not
that
out."
were
Where's he
calling
at?
him out
Yeah,
on
you.
not calling his hits at all.
God damn. I can't see.
So here, my buddy Debo coming up, talking about that dude's getting mad. That dude was mad.
I know. I said da 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 da, and he's still shooting me.
It's the same guy again.
He was
He
still lighting me
ran
up. I
to
was like,
spawn
"Da, da,
and
da, da,
ran
da, da,
back
da."
and then shot around the corner with a barrage of bullets, which is totally legal within the game to
He
do.
got so mad too.
But he had gotten hit after he had shot somebody, even though there were bullets flying from both ends when the firefight was happening, and he continued as we walked away to say obscenities and cuss at us, and it's not acceptable. My camera didn't pick it up because it doesn't have the greatest audio, and I wish it would have, because it would have been a lot more to give to the refs at the end.
If you want to go low, I'll stay high. Over here's clear. Got one. Yeah. Yeah, where you at? Is the hallway clear? Alright. I got it covered. Get up here. Hey. Oh shit. Hey, cover me, cover me, cover me. Dead.
We have another incident of somebody not calling their hits. Coincidentally, it is the guy's son that we had been having problems with. As we ran up to Chinatown, which had been riddled with players, Debo had backed off as I pushed forward. I wasn't clearing rooms, and I didn't see the guy to my right. He shot me. I called hit. Debo, as I called hit, ran behind cover, and no matter this kid's angle, there was no way he could have shot Debo.
What? Oh my god, good shot. I'm gonna stay out of the way.
But I got you.
I don't think so. I mean, I got that on camera. I'll look.
So at this point, I'm starting to get fed up, and the game mode's not becoming fun anymore. It's becoming more of,
I'll check
are you
that on
kidding me?
camera.
Why are we not
Him,
calling these?
I've been having problems with.
And
So I'll check.
I told him, I'm going to check my camera.
Well,
I
if they
don't
have a
know,
spot in their
but I'm
computer
pretty
that I
sure
can plug
that
in
wasn't a
USB, like
mutual kill.
chip, we can look. We can ask him.
So this is the point where the
Yeah, he's
fight
dead. We're clear
happened,
here.
and it's unfortunate that it happened.
Flag.
But as I come around a corner, I had my arms and my head sticking
Which
out.
one, guys?
My chest is not visible at all, and that is very important in this situation. So this guy rushed around the corner. You can hear my gun going off and his gun going off. Now he is using a green tracer, and I'm going to play the video at normal speed, and then I'm going to put the second one in there and slowing it down. In the slowed down version, you can see his shots going right past me and not hitting my chest. He doesn't hit my chest until after he puts his leg up in pain, because I had been putting a lot of rounds into him, which is also unacceptable. You never need to overshoot anybody, but he was not calling it. He continued to put his leg up and spin, and still didn't call his hit, and then got mad when I called him out on cheating.
I don't see anything. Here, go get the flag. I'll cover you. You're lighter than me. Go. Go, go, go. I literally see my shots hit you. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. We'll look at the camera. My chest is behind the wall. My head and arms sticking out. I mean, I'll look at the camera. 100%. Sorry, bub.
So you can see his rounds going off to the right side of me. Now, from that close of range, I would have been able to tell if he hit me in the chest by a distinct thud sound. He did not hit me in the chest, and he continued to fire after he had been shot, as you can see him putting his leg up. Now, I should have not jumped up and yelled at him. It is unacceptable, and I should have gotten yelled at. But again, I had been fed up with it. And that's not trying to justify it. He should not have come up and touched me. You can see me move as he's hitting my chest. So it's not a light hit. And he continued to call me obscenities as he walked away. So I got fed up and I went straight to the referee after that. And I want to say they did an amazing job of taking care of it. They talked to him first. The next round he did it again and got up in another kid's face who was a minor, and they had kicked him out after that.